Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing this Zoom meeting makeup tutorial. This is a no makeup look which is perfect for literally any occasion. You can wear this in a party, in a meeting, or basically anywhere and everywhere where your heart desires. My skin still looks like skin and it does not look heavy or cakey at all. And the best thing is you don't need to have a lot of products to get this makeup look. You can literally get this look using 5 to 6 products. Isn't it insane? So yeah, without any further delay, let's dive right into this tutorial. So first, take any moisturizer that works well for your skin. Here I have taken the Emollient cream. This is a lightweight moisturizer that works really well for my skin. And I'm applying that all over my face. Next, taking this Aroma Magic Aloe Vera sunscreen. It's a mineral based sunscreen. You can use any mineral based sunscreen because mineral based sunscreen protects your skin from blue light rays that emits out of your devices like laptop, mobile screen. So using a mineral sunscreen would protect your skin from that blue light. Next, you need a concealer that is closest to your skin tone. Here I am using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Golden, and I am applying that onto the inner and outer part of my eyes, onto the sides of my mouth, nose, chin and nose bridge. I have applied it basically on the centers of my face except the forehead. And with the help of a brush, I am blending the concealer into my skin. The shade of this concealer is pretty close to my skin, but it's not an exact match to my skin tone. It is still a bit lighter than my skin, so it's gonna add that touch of highlighting onto the centers of my face. After blending my concealer, I am going over the edges of the concealer in this circular motion to buff those edges and lines so that you can't tell where the concealer starts and stops. After applying the concealer to the rest of the face, you can see the hollows of the cheekbones is looking a little bit pigmented, and my forehead is not matching to the rest of my face. It is looking tanner than my face, but that is completely okay. Then I'm taking this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Budapest, and I am going to apply 2 dots of it onto my cheeks. It's a liquid lipstick, but I am using it as a liquid blush. It has mousse formula and it blends really well on the cheeks. Then I'm taking the same concealer brush and I am going over onto the edges of the liquid lipstick that we just applied. This step will blend the harsh edges of the blush if there is any. I'm getting rid of the creases of the concealer, and then I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder in the shade 310 Sun Beige, and I am applying that onto my under eyes. onto my eyelid, onto the nose and around the nose, and around my mouth as well. Then moving on to the brows, because brows are really important even in a no makeup look, and you cannot skip it because you are doing a natural makeup. No, things don't work that way. I have got quite full brows. I don't need a lot of filling. I am just filling onto those gaps, and I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade 02 dark brown. After that, I am taking a clean spoolie and I am brushing the brows to distribute the product evenly. Then take any of your favorite mascara and apply the mascara onto your upper and bottom lashes. Curl up those lashes, make them voluminous, give life to those lashes. Now the last thing is a lipstick. You can pick whatever lipstick you like, but if you want to make it a no makeup look, then go for nude lipsticks. And here I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Last liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. It's such a stunning nude shade for my skin tone. So that's the finished look. I do really like it, and I love how this lipstick is a nude shade but still making a statement. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.